Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today, I'm going to provide an update on my Robinhood portfolio. Currently, I'm at $265,699. Cash position of $21,000. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account, so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been very volatile due to all the uncertainty. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at my portfolio. So my largest position is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This tracks the 500 largest US companies, currently priced at $272. This makes up 17.46% of my portfolio, or $42,700. Currently up 9%. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. Makes up 7% of my portfolio, or $17,135. Currently up 87%. Next is Schwab Large Cap ETF. This makes up 4.74% portfolio, or $11,588. Currently up 21% on this position. Next is Spider S&P 500 ETF. This makes up 9.97% portfolio, or $2,364, up 39% on this position. So Apple is my largest stock. This makes up 7.17% portfolio, or $17,545, up 96% on this position. Next is Microsoft. Makes up 5.4% portfolio, or $13,215, up 108%. NVIDIA makes up 5.3% portfolio, or $12,975, up 92% on this position. Next is Alibaba. Makes up 4.72% portfolio, or $11,554, up 18% on this position. Next is Visa. Makes up 4.68% portfolio, or $11,451, up 72.78%. Alphabet Class A shares makes up 2.31% portfolio, or $5,652, up 37.43%. Alphabet Class C shares makes up 1.73% portfolio, or $4,239, up 41.74%. Amazon makes up 3.98% portfolio, or $9,742, up 105%. Johnson & Johnson makes up 3.43% portfolio, or $8,383, up 11.59%. Tencent makes up 3.27% portfolio, or $8,005, up 22%. Facebook makes up 3.26% portfolio, or $7,985, up 41%. McDonald's makes up 2.26% portfolio, or $5,539, up 14.87%. United Health makes up 2.25% portfolio, or $5,510, up 67.53%. AT&T makes up 1.82% portfolio, or $4,456, down 16.7%. Even though I'm down on this position, I plan to continue holding and collecting the high dividend yield, which is currently at 7% dividend yield. Next is Home Depot. Makes up 1.78% portfolio, or $4,353, up 59%. Boeing makes up 1.68% portfolio, or $4,117, down 39%. This is down significantly, but I plan to continue holding for long term. Costco makes up 1.61% portfolio, or $3,935, up 25.69%. PayPal makes up 1.48% portfolio, or $3,609, up 96%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.29% portfolio, or $3,147, down 5.46%. PepsiCo makes up 1.23% portfolio, or $3,001, up 10%. 3M makes up 1.2% portfolio, or $2,928, down 24.56%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.86% portfolio, or $2,100, up 33.41%. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.72% portfolio, or $1,754, up 11.15%. Baozun makes up 0.68% portfolio, or $1,667, down 24.59%. Cisco makes up 0.68% portfolio, or $1,661, up 6.62%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.63% portfolio, or $1,545, up 10.85%. Disney makes up 0.63% portfolio, or $1,534, up 16.87%. Trade Desk makes up 0.25% portfolio, or $615, up 5.67%. Baidu makes up 0.46% portfolio, or $1,136, down 43.97%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.21% portfolio, or $516, down 22.15%. Ichiyi makes up 0.13% portfolio, or $311, down 48.66%. Vanguard Midcap Value ETF makes up 0.64% portfolio, or $1,576, up 7.59%. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF makes up 0.84% portfolio, or $2,057, up 51.29%. Last but not least is Vanguard Healthcare ETF, makes up 0.7% portfolio, or $1,719, up 47.55%. That is all in my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, currently at $21,000 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in a high-yield savings account, so that I can easily buy when there are opportunities to buy. That's all in this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use more full links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.